Hello, my name is Jamie Osborne, and today, this video, we're going to be talking about Conative Theory and Kolbe Index. Ancient philosophers, as well as modern psychologists, are in agreement that and maintain a theory of three-part mind. The first part is the cognitive portion of the mind. This is the things you know or think. The second part of the mind is the affective portion. This is the things you feel or value. And the third part is the conative section. This is the actions that are derived from instinct, purposeful mode of striving. There have been several methods developed to test these sections of the brain. The first one for cognitive tests might look something like an SAT test and be based off what you have learned. Second, for an affective test might look like a personality test and be based off how you feel. Lastly, a conative test would look like the Kolbe indexes, which we're about to discuss. And these are used to discover instinctive talents a person may have. Many experts believe that the conative portion of the mind is just as important as the other two sections, and possibly even more important. Your conative profile is important because it controls a person's actions, especially when dealing with a stressful or challenging situation. This is very important to remember when dealing with others because they may not respond the same as you to stressful situations. Next, Kolbe Group developed 4 action modes that are influenced by the conative portion of the mind. First is fact finder. This is the method used to gather information. Next is follow through. This is the ways used to design or arrange. Third is quick start, how we deal with risk or uncertainty. And finally, implementer, how you handle or manage space and tangible factors. To find out where you stand on these 4 action modes, you have to take the Kolbe Index test. And it should look something like what is being drawn below. My numbers came out to be 6, 4, 3, 7. Once you get your numbers, Kolbe has developed a second chart that explains these numbers. For the first section of the chart is simplify, explain, and specify. For the follow-through section, it is adapt, maintain, and systematize. For the quick start section of the chart, it is stabilize, modify, and improvise. For the implementer section, it is imagine, restore, or build. Based off the Kolbe index numbers that I received, I fell into the sections for fact finder of explain, then for follow through was maintain, then quick start was stabilize, and implementer was build. This was a brief description of the Conative Theory and Kolbe Index. Thank you for your time. Hope this has been helpful.